Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. Say goodbye to those heavy, clunky chairs because this one from Mountain Summit Gear is going to be your absolute favorite outdoor chair from now on. From beach days to camping escapes or really any outdoor adventure, you are going to love all its features. So my absolute favorite thing about this chair is that it's super lightweight and it comes with these built-in backpack straps. Check out how it just folds up nice and flat and you just buckle it up and it's not going anywhere because everyone knows you're not going to the beach with just one item. So it's really nice to just throw this thing on your back and still have hands to carry other things. I also love the aluminum frame with this classic web design, making it super duper sturdy. So this chair can hold up to 300 pounds. And I love how nice and spacious it is for your bottom. I like that it sits nice and low to the ground, making it super comfortable on those hot summer beach days. And it's super easy to clean. You just shake it off, all the sand falls off, so there's literally nothing to worry about. This is honestly my go-to chair for all my outdoor adventures. I could immediately tell that it was made really, really well. So go ahead, sit back, relax, and enjoy your new chair. And that's my point of view.